Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how I made this very easy slow cooker chicken drumsticks recipe. The chicken is full of the bone tender. This is one of my favorite slow cooker chicken recipes. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Buydeem Slowcooker. This is an intelligent multifunctional slow cooker. It has 5 cooking functions. It can be used to sear all types of meat, sauteing vegetables, and braising meat. I've had this slow cooker for quite some time. It's very good. I highly recommend. I'll leave all details in the description box. Now let's get started with today's recipe. I have my Buydeem slow cooker ready for slow cooking. I have filled the slow cooker with a whole bunch of chicken legs. We're going to start by seasoning them with some spices including garlic and onion powder, cumin, cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt, and brown sugar. Pour the spices all over the chicken. We're also going to add some smoked paprika, dijon or stone ground mustard, and then we're going to add some barbecue sauce. Mix everything together very well. Once everything is mixed in, we're going to add some dried bay leaves for extra flavor. Then we're going to place the slow cooker lid on and allow this to slow cook for 4 hours on high. One thing I love about this slow cooker is it has the option to slow cook on high or low for up to 24 hours. When the food is done slow cooking, the slow cooker is customized to keep the food warm for up to 8 hours, which is really awesome. An amazing thing about this slow cooker is it's built to maintain the flavor of your food, whereas most slow cookers out there are not good at maintaining flavor. The chicken came out very well cooked and flavorful. The slow cooker gives an even distribution of heat, so it cooks food perfectly. There's going to be so much sauce to enjoy the chicken with. The chicken came out very tender. It falls right off the bone. The sauce is really delicious with the chicken. This is a very comforting dish. It came out very delicious. All ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. I absolutely love cooking in my Buydeem slow cooker. I love the fact that this slow cooker has a detachable pan. So unlike traditional slow cookers with a single built-in pan, Buydeem slow cooker will work with a range of cookware you have in your kitchen, which makes it very versatile. I also love the fact that Buydeem lets you slow cook for up to 24 hours, whereas traditional slow cookers don't allow this much cooking time. My absolute favorite thing about this slow cooker is the fact that you can sear and saute all in the same pan. It makes slow cooking very easy and it makes your food very flavorful. I've been using this slow cooker for almost a year now and I highly recommend, so I'll leave a purchasing link together with a coupon code in the description box. A big thank you to Buydeem for partnering with me today, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!